Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Well, today we are here to unbox some Grizas.
Welcome Lovelies. Well, the day is here and I can't wait. As usually with Grizas, you get this happy feeling, birthday feeling.
When the back door, they boop, 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 for when the delivery man comes, and when we see these boxes come in,
all of us in here,
like,
we go,
oh,
Christmas.
Christmas. All right.
Okay.
So, well, you look lovely in your Grizas. Speaking of, beautiful.
Gorgeous little jacket and a cozy little jacket. French terry, but quite substantial French terry.
I love the color on you.
Army, cute, eh?
Yeah. It looks good with your hair color.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
And
yeah, beautiful scarf from Cala.
Pop of orange.
Pop of orange, picking up your orange earrings. Speaking of, when is Holland playing? When is the Netherlands playing?
Well, the World Cup is in June. And so, yeah, we have to
I guess
wait.
the Olympics first, I should say.
Exactly.
Yeah, in a few weeks.
Yeah, very exciting, the Olympics. And I get to watch my figure skating.
Yeah.
I'm pumped.
Oh, I remember when I was a kid, that's all you did.
All I did.
She sat all the time, ladies, and I used to watch it with her. I used to love it.
And your brothers would always make fun of us. Because if the skaters would fall, they would say, oh, there's another human Zamboni.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so mean.
It was very mean.
It's a beautiful sport.
Because they didn't want us to watch it.
Oh,
we
that's
only
so funny.
had one TV.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Can you imagine?
No. When was that?
Tessa, in your time.
Really?
Nobody had a TV in their bedroom.
No. Wow.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so now it's so bad. We all do. Well, not everyone, but no. Pants from Bryn Walker.
Fantastic.
Those are great. These are in the sale, ladies, right now in our winter sale.
Hey,
yeah,
wow.
Beautiful. Nice little ring from Siriglio.
Got a little Seymour, little t-shirt underneath with a cap sleeve, black.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, I'm smacking cozy.
Cozy. And I have on this gorgeous Elembika vest.
Tessa.
I know. And I have it over our dress, our Lousje Bean A-line.
A-line.
Love. And then earrings gold with this, look at the brim.
Oh,
pretty,
look at that. Love.
Yeah.
And the little leopard.
Yeah, very cool. All right, ladies. So we are going to get into, this is our first unboxing for the season for Grizas. And we're so excited because we've curated such a beautiful collection for you. And in the next 2 days, me and Lousje are going to style these pieces up for you just so we can show you many different ways how we'd like to style them up. Yeah. Let's get into this. So Grizas does such a good job too with their accessories now, like the scarves. So we showed you the scarves last week. Lousje could not keep her hands out of the box. So you saw those beautiful pieces. But here, I'm going to start with this. Is such a gorgeous piece. Right away. Boom.
Exactly.
Hey? Just gorgeous.
Kaboom, kaboom.
So you call it the
little Chanel jacket.
Yeah. It's got the raw edge here, ladies, with this cool little flap. These details are so beautiful.
The fraying, and the fraying on the little pocket. It's adorable. It's like a real Chanel pocket. So this is where you hand enters. And then this is just a little tab with the fraying on top.
Cool.
Yeah.
So 100% linen, ladies, in this gorgeous mini check.
And the lines again, right? All these seams here to make it a little fitted.
Yeah.
Shorter in the back. You see?
Yeah, it's got a little high-low there, a little bit.
High-low. Cute little collar.
Adorable.
What kind of buttons? Beautiful buttons, no doubt. Yes, always.
Black buttons, a little bigger.
A double tab here, which is also very Chanel-y.
All right, so as you know, we like to do sets and give you different options of how to wear these pieces. So in this box, it's going to make a lot of sense. And I will show you the next piece that goes with it is a gorgeous A-line linen dress.
Oh, gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Beautiful shift dress, ladies, with the raw edges again in the sleeve. How beautiful is that?
It's gorgeous.
A gorgeous summer dress.
Pockets, of course.
So you can wear that on its own. You can wear it with the jacket.
Yeah.
A beautiful set. I'm going to show you too, what we also curated for that one is this necklace.
Oh, yes.
So look at that.
Yes.
So Grizas does these beautiful ball necklaces, as you know, ladies, in pure silk. And that's just such a stunning look right there. How gorgeous is that?
And I'd like to point out a little check. It's a little light gray, a black and white.
Yeah.
So it's lovely, a soft a check.
Classic.
Classic.
Gorgeous. So now we also have, they do their sweaters so well. They're knit sweaters.
Oh gosh.
So this is a linen knit, ladies. Nice boxy style.
Love, love, love. How does the sizes go again with the knits?
So extra small, small,
Okay.
and then medium, large, extra large, extra, extra large.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
So again, here's our mixing and matching. So you can wear it over this dress. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, you can wear it over any of the bubble dresses you have from the past.
yeah.
Beautiful one. So this is a newer style for us, for Grizas. We've done quite a few little knit sweaters, but that's a new one. And here's a brand new color. Look at this.
Jeez,
Isn't that
Louise,
great?
I love
I know.
it.
It's
Oh
so
my
beautiful. So
goodness,
you
look
can
at
pair
it.
this over that.
Oh, yeah.
And then look at this, ladies. Bring the necklace back in to pop. Oh, it's a stunner.
Stunner.
I cannot wait to style these up for you, ladies. It's going to be
pale
absolutely
blue,
fabulous. All right, so now we're going to get into this piece. Is absolutely fabulous. I can't wait to show you.
Oh,
So this
a
is
tie-dye dress.
tie-dye,
Oh,
a crinkle silk, ladies.
Oh boy.
100% silk, pure luxury. I'm just going to move the box over here. Pure luxury.
So Tessa, they took the bubble dress pattern,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's gorgeous. And put sleeves on
Little
it.
cap sleeve.
Yeah, and this will fall like a dream.
It's
With
so
the silk?
soft. And then look at that over. It matches it perfectly.
Exquisite.
I can't wait to show you, ladies. You can have the long drop necklace.
Yeah.
Open. You can have the black.
Exquisite.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh, I have
Your
to put
favorite
this
color.
aside. Yes.
Lucia's favorite color. Look at that.
Oh, the oatmeal.
Beautiful.
Oatmeal shift dress in the silk.
In the silk.
Is this a silk cotton blend?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pockets.
Yeah.
That dress too, ladies, has pockets.
Yes.
And there's also a side zipper if you need it.
Yes.
But it should fit over your head, but in case. This one, just nice, generous fit.
Nice, generous fit.
Me and Lousje would be in an extra small in this. We do have all the measurements on the website, but if you have any questions, please let us know. And then in the next few days, we're going to style them up so you can see how they hang.
So does it have a nice scarf to go
Okay,
with
so this, well, first of all,
this? Yes.
look at that.
Ooh, look at that.
So that is the necklace, and Lousje did the scarves last week, but here is the scarf version of the necklace.
Oh, yeah.
This is also silk, 100% silk.
Oh,
So you can have it in the necklace form or the scarf form,
With-
but
yeah.
it's like beautiful, right? With
Yeah.
that colorway.
Yeah.
And then as you know, we don't do, if we can make a set for you lovelies, we do it, especially for Mother of the Bride.
oh my.
Look
Yes. Oh, but
at that. It's
this,
stunning.
you know, this oatmeal, it has a different tint to it.
Yeah, it's like a
It's
pearly,
cement, I don't know what. Yeah, look at these gorgeous buttons.
gorgeous buttons.
And the cut in this jacket
Is
is exquisite.
exquisite. And then
Little-
this scarf too that you brought the other day,
Yes.
this we feel like is such a chameleon because
Oh,
it
Tessa,
is going beautifully.
with this.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh my.
Look at those tones picking each other up. It's like so
Oh.
beautiful. It's fabulous.
Purple and greenish and violet.
So we're going to play with that, mixing it up because, you know, you can wear also the black sweater over it
Yeah.
and it's going to be endless.
Yeah.
But we did that in the oatmeal, but we had to do it also in the
Gray.
gray. This is like a beautiful graphite gray.
It's
Look at
gorgeous.
that. This would also go great over the check dress, Mom.
Yes,
Just if you
it-
want to break up the print
Exactly.
and have a flat
Yeah,
color.
look.
Look at it's exquisite. It's
Oh,
absolutely fabulous.
my.
Isn't that gorgeous?
It's beautiful.
It's so gorgeous.
And then
I know. Look at that. Yeah. And then we did also the tunic. So we call this a shift dress.
shift dress.
But, you know, tunic, shift dress. When we're going to have some linen pants, it'll look fabulous with that
oh
too.
yeah, look at this.
I know. And then we have one scarf that we did not show yet.
Oh,
And this is a new one for Grizas, ladies, but it is just a beautiful piece of square linen. Feel it. It feels amazing.
Square scarf. Yeah.
Square scarf.
It's very pliable. It's not hard at all. It's
no,
soft
it's super soft. And then you can wear it so many different ways, but just a nice little roll and a nice little French cuff. There you go. Look at that.
I can't wait to have fun with that tomorrow.
I know.
Look at that.
It's going to be amazing. Love it.
Love it.
Love it. So that is our first unboxing from Grizas. We have such a beautiful curated collection here. If you're more of a darker tone like me and the black, you know, you'd veer to the charcoal gray. Or if you want some lighter tone, you got the oatmeal. Beautiful. Oh. It's going to be fun. So watch out tomorrow. We'll be here together. We're going to style up
all this beautiful stuff
just for you. Yeah. Amazing. All right. Please hit a thumbs up, ladies, if you enjoyed the video. And as always,
keep on smiling.